Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about why your woman doesn't scream or even moan or even make any kind of noise in the other room when you're knocking her. Okay, she's always silent and you're wondering what the hell is the problem. Okay, these are the reasons, 5 reasons. Okay, well, one is when you are not targeting well, you're not targeting her G points well. Her G spot is actually just up there before the main place you are doing the reading. Okay, that is where you are going to get her G spot, which is so sensitive for women. It's one of the places that even if your woman is always keeping quiet, okay, she's always not making any kind of noise, and you're wondering, this is the only place that if you target this particular place very well and do the right thing well, she would definitely scream. A lot of men, when they are trusting in and out, okay, they would never have anything to do with the G spot. Okay, they will never have anything to do with that area. They will just ignore that area. And most especially when you are trusting in and out and there's no kind of stimulation that goes close to that area. Okay, remember it's up, right? Just below where you're doing the thing, right? So, but you know that you're not stimulating that area, not even your body or your hand. You're not doing anything to stimulate that area. If your woman is always keeping quiet during that particular hour and you're wondering how to make her scream or even make that noise that you want to enjoy, then make sure that you are targeting that area even when you're trusting in. That's the magic, okay? When you make sure that you are simulating that G spot, it will help her to like make that noise that you, in fact, you really want to say out. I'm enjoying it. You will be okay, okay, and satisfied with all the noises that she's going to make, okay, because you are doing it the right way. Another thing is when you're trusting in, make sure that at least one of your hands is touching her lips. Okay, a lot of women will enjoy it, but find out if she is going to enjoy it because it's not the same for all women. But her lips is one of the places that when you're threatening in her house and one of your finger is touching that lip, it will help her to actually go extra, go gaga, okay? She will definitely scream and she will all pour out, okay? That's the truth. You will send her to that Jerusalem and she will definitely give you the reaction that you deserve, okay? That's number one reason. So if you do it well, definitely she will give you that particular thing that you are desiring. Now the second one is when a woman is scared that maybe people are hearing her voice or that you are not going to be okay with the kind of noise that she will make. So when she's scared, not comfortable with you or with the environment, okay, she's scared that maybe someone is hearing her voice. She's scared that maybe they will judge her, stuff like that, or you are going to judge her when she's not comfortable with you or the environment. Then she might hold back from making this kind of noises we're talking about, right? So that's another reason. Next one is when you have kids in marriage, okay? Now you have kids around and you are expecting her to like make noise. She would never. Women are always conscious, they're thinking, who knows? The kids, are they not hearing my voice? What are they thinking? Blah blah blah. So she would not. Okay. This is another reason why a lot of women will keep so quiet. Okay. Now the fourth reason why women kept quiet or they are always mute when you're having it with them, they don't make any noise, they don't scream, they don't shout, they don't do anything. It's actually because they are not enjoying it. When they are not enjoying it, either because of one reason or the other, maybe their mind is not there, or they are not emotionally connected to you, or they are not well prepared, or they are not, ready before the act. They might not be enjoying it at the time, and that is why they are not making that noise that you're expecting. Okay. Now another reason is when she is thinking about something else. When she has something disturbing her that she is not able to relax. When it comes to this whole thing you are doing, we are doing it with her, she needs to be relaxed. Okay. She doesn't need to be stressed or worked up, okay, or even tensed. Things like that can actually inhibit her reaction. Okay, she might not even give you any sign or any kind of thing because she is not relaxed. Okay, so these are the reasons why some women who always keep quiet when you're doing it with them, these are the reasons. Okay, so you have known now and you don't know how to actually tackle it. If it is to change and maybe look for a different place to have it with her, some time. Okay, you can actually look for a different place or take her out and have it with her. She'll be relaxed in a different environment, and then or you make sure that when you're having it with her is at the time when the environment is okay for her to like enjoy herself, and make sure that she is not stressed and worked up. She's not thinking about anything. Okay, and if she's thinking about anything, let her discuss it with you. Talk to her like someone that cares. If she's able to understand that you do care, she will be able to be relaxed even with that all issues that she's thinking about, when she knows that she's with someone that cares. Okay, so that's another thing. So you make sure that you care for her, not only just to go in there and come out, but you always there for her emotionally and also physically. Okay, so anything that's disturbing her, you are able to like render your help the way you can. Okay, especially for woman that is there for you. Okay, woman you know that will be there for you even when you are worked up or when you are stressed or when you need her, then why not be there for her? Okay, so there's every reason why you should be there for her. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, let me know what you think in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't for more videos, and notification bell so that you will notify anytime I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video. Join my membership because I have a lot I'm planning for you guys for that particular area. I have videos I'm going to be uploading for only members. Okay, so go ahead and join that particular membership. Anyone at all, you are going to actually enjoy it. Okay, you will not regret it. See you guys in my next video.